Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the rarest and most extreme Ferraris ever built, the Ferrari F50 GT. This isn't just a regular F50, this is a track-focused beast. A car that Ferrari built to dominate the GT1 racing category, but never officially raced. Only 3 were ever made, making it one of the most exclusive Ferraris in existence. Let's start with the exterior. The Ferrari F50 GT takes the already stunning design of the road-going F50 and cranks it up to an entirely new level. The body is made almost entirely of carbon fiber, making it lighter and more aerodynamic. The front end is lower and more aggressive, with larger air intakes for better cooling. The headlights are replaced with lightweight racing spec covers, and the hood features additional vents to improve airflow. Moving to the sides, you'll notice the widened fenders that house race-spec lightweight wheels wrapped in slick tires. The most striking feature is the massive rear wing, designed to provide maximum downforce at high speeds. The entire car is designed to hug the track and slice through the air with precision. Step inside and you'll see that the interior is nothing like the standard F50 Ferrari stripped it down to pure race car essentials. Gone are the leather seats and luxury touches. Instead, you get carbon fiber bucket seats with racing harnesses, a minimalist dashboard, and a racing-style steering wheel with essential controls. There's no air conditioning, no radio, just a fully focused cockpit designed for one thing: speed. The exposed carbon fiber panels and raw materials emphasize that this is a machine built for the track, not comfort. Now, let's talk about performance. Under the hood, or rather behind the driver, sits a naturally aspirated 4.7-liter V12 engine derived from Ferrari's Formula One technology. Unlike the standard F50, which produced 513 horsepower, the F50 GT pushes out a staggering 750 horsepower. The red line is raised to an ear-piercing 10,500 RPM, delivering an absolutely mind-blowing sound. This power is sent to the rear wheels through a 6-speed sequential gearbox, making gear shifts lightning fast compared to the manual gearbox in the standard F50. With a curb weight of just 2,200 pounds, about 1,000 kg, the F50 GT can sprint from 0 to 60 mph in just 2.9 seconds and reach a top speed of over 235 mph. The advanced aerodynamics and lightweight construction make it one of the most extreme track-focused Ferraris ever built. Now, let's talk about price. Since only 3 were ever made, the Ferrari F50 GT is one of the rarest Ferraris on the planet. When it was first built, it was never sold to the public. Instead, Ferrari offered it to select clients at an estimated price of around $1 million. Today, if one were to hit the market, it could fetch anywhere from $10 million to $20 million or more, depending on its condition and history. This makes it one of the most valuable Ferrari race cars ever produced. So there you have it, the Ferrari F50 GT, a car that never got to fulfill its racing destiny, but remains one of the most iconic and desirable Ferraris of all time. What do you think of this insane machine? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more rare car reviews. See you in the next video.